Around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, trying to open up the door. 5, 6. All these bitches on my dick. 7, 8. All these niggas wanna hate. 9, 10. Now that nigga really depending on niggas. Now I gotta pull up and I show these niggas that I'm with it. You fuck niggas, yeah, y'all really tripping. I think about it now, yeah, I'm going independent. I don't even understand why niggas wanna sign. All these niggas understand it's a slave mind, nigga, so designed. So I gotta understand, like, nigga, why you sitting there popping all them Zans? Think you getting money? Nah, niggas see you playing. Now I gotta understand why niggas wanna be at the top. You fuck niggas gonna sink like a rock. I understand how these niggas wanna rock, but all y'all niggas, y'all sitting with that Glock. It's towed it down, but y'all niggas really not about that shit. If a nigga came to you, would you use that shit? Would you move, little bitch? Or would you hesitate like a little dumb little bitch, like I know you is? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these walls around me, time to open up the door. These niggas think they getting money, yeah, I see it. Nigga, why you fake, you believe it. I think about it, yeah, these niggas, they deceiving. I might as well just say it phony, cause you know I got that money on me now. You fuck niggas playing. I understand why niggas think they really up at top, but understand that you niggas really not. I need to let y'all niggas know it's not a game. These niggas play for fame. These niggas think they getting money, better sit down. And you know the niggas really don't got flow, so I tell them I know it's something different how I roll. Look, if you niggas really wanna make it, better stop motherfucking faking. Better get that money and be patient.